The question is, how can you use Scanifly data to showcase designs to customers?
Yeah, so you definitely want to be able to showcase the final design, what you've done for your customers. So we have a really nice tool that's called the Share tool. It's right here on the left. So really what you need to do here is you're going to take some screenshots of this 3D model. So you can see I added some here. I'm just pressing the box. The software takes a screenshot of that view so you can really customize different views. You're going to add some information here. It's really just point of contact on your company. And then you can generate a link that it's intended to be shared with, a customer. So you're going to have the project name here, contact info at your company, your customer's information. You're going to see some system information here as well. Your company logo will go here on the left side. And you can see here the different screenshots. But really the best of all is taking advantage of having that 3D model. So you'll be able to send them this really nice animation that showcases, the final project. Let's say you're gonna get a final sign off, pretty much. Hey, Mr. Customer, permits that in. This is what we're gonna build for you. Get them excited. It creates that wow factor really, and it's a really nice touch. So yeah, this would be the Share tool. You can see the animation there with some shade, and then they can just interact with the 3D model as well afterwards.